Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. You are welcome and God bless you. Okay, today I'm making for my family crawfish patties. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm just going over them to make sure that they're not too big and not too small. By the way, this is all-purpose flour. I must say thank you to my returning subscribers. You must know that you are my MVP. Without you, there would be no Melda 242. And to you, my brand new subscribers, oh my word, you are so welcome. All of the followers, I know you're out there, you're watching. It's time to join the crowd. Join us, subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever we're on with something new. Come on, man, join. Subscription is free. Let's do it. Okay, allow it to sit in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes. As a matter of fact, overnight would be even better. So it's up to you. You work it. The color of the bell pepper would not make a difference. Whichever color you have, you work that. This is what I had, so that's what I'm using. Orange and green. Oh my word. And by the way, family, I am still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. My recipes are not gospel. Feel free to use them as a guide. Alter them as best as you can. God bless you. You can always substitute this red pepper flakes with black pepper or your favorite spice. A complete recipe will be listed for you in the description box below. God bless you. If you're still watching and haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting on? Subscription is still free. Come on, join Melda 242. And remember, when you subscribe, you must hit the notification bell all so that you will be notified whenever something new is uploaded. Come on, subscribe today. God bless you. much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.